this is part 4 on the stock. The standard. Oh yeah, I forgot. This thing right here is not nothing or anything. Just this one it goes through. Okay, it's supposed to look like this. And then you just put that through there. Okay, trust me, I make sucky guns. If you guys think I'm good at this, just say you're good on comment, okay? I don't think I'm good though. Okay, we have this thing done. Now we gotta make this tube on here. Okay, just by going here. Okay, I wanna move this. Okay, we're gonna go down, roll down. I just wanna roll it up. There we go, let it go again. Now you're gonna roll it up again. Cause like it's gonna be easier if you. Okay, I wanna face you down. And I'm gonna tape it. I should just use the other tape. The dip tape is so hard. Sorry for that. Just doing this. You have that. Now you're going to take out this again. You're gonna take out the stander. Stand it up like this. Like that. Then you have your tube, right? Now you're gonna grab another piece of paper. Wait, I'll be right back. Okay, you're gonna have this one. Then you're gonna grab another one, piece of paper. Then you're gonna move this thing aside. Maybe you could just put it in here. Oh, which way is it? Okay. Put that in there for one, so you can stand it up. And you have this. And you have these, right? These ones that you just cut off from the stander there, from the small. Make it smaller so you can cut it off. Then these will be the little stander for the scope. It's a removable scope. Gonna cut that. And then the same size, about that big. About yay big. See, they have to be this size, or because they could open like that. I'll show you how to make that thing. Yeah. And you would like to keep these things, this thing, and this thing that you just cut it from this big one here. Okay, you just want to keep these two because the scope will be like this, like this side and like that. See that? Like that. Yeah, cut this for one. Okay, you guys keep these and these. So you have 4 of these little things. And then you want to throw this one away. That's junk. Even this one. Even this one. Okay, you have one. You grab a piece of paper. This one will be going on. This piece of paper will go on that thing. And then this one will slide through it and all that, going like that. Okay, don't think gross. I know how many people think it's stupid gross if they go like that or something. Okay. I'm gonna tape it really tight. So it'll be really good. Okay, you have this tube. Now you're gonna pull this one out. See, it's slidable. Now you're gonna keep doing it till it goes easier. Or you could do it on this side too. Just slide it in. Okay, grab this fat one that you just made from this one. Go there. Now you're gonna put that right there. That will be the scoop slider. Okay, you're gonna take out this slide thing. The scoop will be like that, but different. Trust me. Okay, you have that. I don't care about the stupid bed. I'm gonna put you on the charger. Oh, damn it, you can't see. Okay, you have this standard. Throw that over there. You have this. You just make it slide in there on pretend. Okay? There. Okay, I'm gonna see you in the next video, and I'll be making the scoop on that video. Okay, bye. Scoop.